A very good morning to all my dear students. I would like to take place before starting my AV assignment. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all the times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face covered, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Now, I am going to start our assignment, that is, the topic is what comes between. Okay, the topic is what comes between. What comes between? Here you have given 17 and 18. You have to fill here what will come here. Okay, like 16 and 18 both are given. You have to see what will come here in between both 16 and 18. Okay, so what will come? What will come after 16? That is 17. That comes before 18. Okay. So we will fill here 17. Okay. You have given 49. Here 51. You will see here what will come. That is 50. Okay, in between both 49 and 51, what will come in between both of these numbers? That is 50. Okay, here you have given 49 and 51. You will see 49 and 51 both are given. You have to check what will come here. That is 50. 50 comes after 49 and before 51. Okay, you will fill here 50. Here, next, you have given 25 and 27. You have to see what will come here. What will come here, beta? 25 is given and 27 is given. What will come after 25? That is 26. Here you will fill here 26. 26 comes before 27 and after 25. That is 26. In between both of these numbers. Okay. Here you have given 50 and 52. Both numbers are given to you. Here 52 is given and 50 is given. Then what will come here? That is 51. Okay. You have to fill here 51. Now 73 is given and 75 is given. You have to fill here 74. 74 will come here in between both these numbers. Okay. Next 84, 85, 86. Clear? Here 84 is given and 86 is given. You have to fill here 85. What will come in between both the numbers? That is 85. Okay. Next 93, 95. Both numbers are given. What will come here? That is 94. Okay, in between both of these numbers. That is 94. Clear? Next, you have given 41 and 43. What will come here? That is 42. In between both the numbers, what will come? That is 42. 42 will come here. Okay. Here 89 is given. Here 91 is given. What will come in between both the numbers? That is 90. Okay. You have to fill here 90. 90 comes after 89 and before 91. Okay. Next, 95 is given and 97 is given. You have to check what will come here. That is 96. Okay. 96 will come here. Okay. Clear? Now beta, you have to do this work on your fair notebooks with neat and clean handwriting. Clear? Now I am going to start from your book Mathmania, page number 28. The title is More About Numbers that are before, after and between. Here you will see I am Jumbo, I am Kitty, I am Bunny. Jumbo is before Kitty and Bunny is after Kitty and Kitty is in between Jumbo and Bunny. In between. Clear? Beta, before 11 is given, you have to fill here 10. 69 is given, you have to fill here 68. What will come before 69? That is 68. Okay. 44 is given here, you will fill here 43. Okay. What will come before 44? That is 43. Okay. Here 99 is given. What will come before 99? That is 98. Here. Here 87 is given. You have to fill here 86. 54 is given. You have to fill here 53. Okay. Clear, beta? Clear to everyone? Like here 14 is given, you have to fill here what will come after 14, that is 15. 31 is given, you will fill here 32. What will come after 31? That is 32. Clear? 45 is given, you will fill here 46. 53 is given. What will come after 53? That is 54. Here 64 is given. You will fill here 65. What will come before after 64? That is 65. Okay. 85 is given. You have to fill here 86. Clear? In between 16 and 18 both are given. You have to fill here 17. What will come in between these both numbers? 16 and 18, that is 17. 49 is given and 51 is given. You have to fill here 50. 25 and 27 is given. You have to fill here 26. 26 comes after 25 and before 27. In between. Clear? 50 and 52 both are given. Here you will fill 51. Okay, in the same way you have to complete this page. Clear? Thank you. Bye.